Hello and welcome to this new video in which I will show you how to install the dark theme for your Arduino IDE. For the reason of overexposure to the screen light of your computer, dark themes decreases the danger of eye damage. So having this will help you reduce the eye strain. Now you should know that looking at the white screen for a long time is not good for our eyes. Our eyes become tired and this causes the distraction. With this change, you will have more efficient code visualization and you will be able to write long time code without tiring your eyes. Now, if you are comfortable with the visual instructions, you can view the video tutorial or this video here in our channel. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Now the first step is downloading the theme. You need to write Jeff Thompson and dark Arduino theme using Google and you will end up with this GitHub link. The first step is clicking here and hitting the download button. Now after you hit the download button, you will get a .zip file, which is this file. Now we need to extract this file. So let's extract it to the document folder. And let's go to the document folder to see the extracted file. Here it is. Now this is our extracted file. After that, you need to open another window and go to your C directory. In there, go to Program Files x86 if you have a 64-bit operating system, or simply Program Files if you have another operating system. In there you will find Arduino. In there you will find the library, which is LIB. Now after opening this directory, you need to first take a backup of the original theme. So I usually take a backup this way. I add it to a .rar file. Now we have a backup of the original theme. The next step is to replace the original theme with our new theme. Now here is our new theme. You can see the visuals here. So simply drag it and drop it here. Now the backup I took is because if you don't like the new changes, you can simply go back and unzip the file and copy the old theme back again here. Now once you are done, you can go open up your Arduino. Here it is. Let's minimize all the windows. I know there is a lot of windows. Now here it is. This is Arduino IDE, and now you have Arduino with a dark theme. As you can see, this is Arduino with a dark theme. You can write your code without stressing your eyes. Thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, don't forget to subscribe. I'll add the link to the library or the theme in the description. Like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. This is Ashraf from Educational Engineering Team.